watching Zero the Painter. Please click like and subscribe.
Welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to prepare the perfect canvas. We're going to take a canvas from the art supply and prepare the surface for painting using gesso, a bit of flow medium, and a bit of sandpaper. This will give us a super smooth painting surface. This process can be done indoors. Adding the flow medium to the process will make the canvas smooth as paper. This way, we don't have the canvas texture showing under our painting. This process can be messy, so we use a lid from an old tote as our workspace. Tote lids have these little braces that work great for holding the canvas above the work area. For this video, we are using Basics acrylic gesso. Non-opaque, matte finish medium flow. To spread the gesso, we will use old business cards. They are disposable, flat, and work just like a spreader, only you can control the pressure. This way you can smooth out the gesso thick or thin. Business cards also work to tighten a loose canvas. Place the cards in the loose corner, then remove them once the surface has dried. We start with a few blobs of gesso in the middle of the canvas. At this point, we're just spreading. It takes many passes to get the first layer smooth. Then we spread to the edges. Up and down, then right to left, pushing the gesso out. Just keep working the gesso to the edges, making sure to cover any bare spots and lines. Try to spread the gesso evenly and thin. Then we let the canvas dry out and repeat this process 2 more times. Now we get a very fine grit sandpaper and smooth out any marks or bumps. Sand very gently because this is a thin layer. We are trying to fill the gaps in the canvas surface, so we don't want to make deep marks. Now we are ready for the flow medium. This will fill gaps and leave a nice, smooth, paintable finish. Flow medium is available at most art supplies. We put globs all over the canvas, then blend them together. This is when you want to really make sure you spread smooth and evenly. Now that the canvas is dry, we sand down any imperfections around the edges. The flow medium will dry smooth. Now you could sand again and do another layer of flow medium if you want. But that's the complete process. And there you go, a perfectly smooth canvas ready for any art you throw at it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, you know what to do.